Today, I'm going to show you how to safely and quickly remove lash extensions using gel remover. This method is much faster and safer than using cream remover. Why use gel remover? Because it dissolves adhesive quickly, it's gentler on the eyes, and less likely to cause irritations. It works both for classic and volume lashes. And I am Monica from Ciula Lash, so now let's dive in. Alright, before start removing the top lashes, we always want to remove the bottom lashes first. Why? Because if we work on the top lashes first, the gel removal might drip down into the eyes, causing discomfort. So to avoid that, let's start with the lower lashes. How to do it? First, take your tweezers and gently leave the end of lower lashes, then pull slightly downward to loosen the adhesive. If you're a beginner, it's best to work one side at a time. It gives you the better control and prevent mistakes. Next, use a micro brush or cotton swab to apply a thin layer of gel removal along the lash roots. Make sure you coat entire lash base so the gel can effectively break down the adhesive. Once you've got the bottom lashes prepped, we are ready to move on to the top lashes. Now that we have applied the gel removal to the lower lashes, let's talk about how to make sure it works properly. The key is even application. You want to make sure every lash base is covered with gel so the adhesive can break down completely. If you're confident in your technique, you can apply the gel to all lashes at once, but if you're still getting used to the process, it's best to work in small sections for better control. So how to do it? First, use your tweezers to gently separate the lashes. This allows the gel removal to reach adhesive more effectively. Next, take a cotton swab and apply a thin, even layer of gel remover along the lash line. Avoid using too much products as excess gel can cause irritations. Now just wait 2 to 3 minutes for the removal to break down the glue. Be patient, letting the gel do its job and make the removal process so much easier. Once you see the adhesive dissolving, you are ready for the next step, removing the lashes safely. Alright, let's go over how to clean the lashes properly to prevent gel removal from getting into the eyes. Once the adhesive has broken down, you want to gently remove each lash using tweezers or cotton swab. If some lashes are still sticking, don't try to force them off. That can cause damage. Instead, just apply a little more gel and give it an extra second to work. Here's how you do it. First, as soon as the glue has softened, take the cotton swab and wipe it away gently. Second, remove the lashes as you clean. Don't leave the gel sitting on for too long. And last, if there's still some glue left, go ahead and apply a little more gel and softly rub it off. Pro tips to keep in mind: don't rub too hard. This can weaken and damage the natural lashes. Leftover gel or adhesive can cause irritations or weaken the natural lashes if not cleaned properly. So now I just want to make sure it's cleaned, completely cleaned. So I will use a damp cotton swab to gently clean the lash line. You can use a saline or saline solutions or clean water. If any adhesive remain, use another cotton swab to wipe it off carefully. Inspect the lash line to ensure that there's no remaining residue. How to remove upper lashes quickly and safely. Upper lashes usually have more adhesive than lower lashes. Some artists use tape to hold down bottom lashes, but this is unnecessary with proper technique. Here's how to do it. No need to pull lashes sideways, simply use tweezer to gently separate them. Apply a thin layer of gel removal close to the lash root. Use a minimal amount, not too much. Too much gel may drip into the eyes. And next, use the cotton swab and tweezer to separate the lashes and let the gel penetrate the glue. How to know if the glue is fully dissolved? After 2 to 3 minutes, use classic tweezers or cotton swab to check if the glue is broken down. If lashes fall off with a gentle pressure, the remover is working. How to do it? First, use tweezer to test different sections of lashes. Next, if some areas still have glues on, apply a little more gel and wait 10 to 15 more seconds. And the last one, do not pull too hard. Lashes should slide off effortlessly. How to remove lashes properly. Once an adhesive has dissolved, remove lashes. Come from inner corner to the outer corner. Use tweezer to carefully pull the lashes off, layer by layer, instead of all at once. How to do it? First, insert tweezers between layers of lashes and lift gently. Next, avoid pull all the lashes at once. Work in sections for better control. And the last one, if there is still some gel residue, use cotton swab to wipe it off. How to finish up properly. First, use a cotton swab to check each lash sections for leftover glue. Next, if any glue remains, apply more gel and wipe off after 10 seconds. Rinse the eyes with the waters for comfort. And that's it. That's it! You now know how to remove lash extensions quickly and safely using a gel remover. If you found this video helpful, please like this video to support more detailed tutorials, subscribe, turn on notifications for new content, comment if you have any questions, I will answer them, and please share this video with friends and colleagues to help them learn. See you in the next video.